So the URL which you need to access is BIT Sindri, which of course is your own, .almaconnect.com. And through that URL, as soon as you hit that URL in any browser or the app, you come here on the platform where you have options to connect with LinkedIn, Google, or sign up with your email. As soon as you connect with anyone, you will reach to this platform. I mean, before this, you have username and password, but after that, you will reach to this platform where there are only a couple of things that you need to enter, which is your course name that you did, like BTech, MTech, PhD, or others, or joining year and graduation year. As soon as you do that and you submit, that is it. So it's a very, very easy method or way to enter into the platform. You enter your names and details when you connect with LinkedIn, then automatically your details are picked up from LinkedIn, or you connect with Google, then also your Gmail ID and other things are picked up. And then the second page is just these three basic fields that you have to fill. You click on submit and you enter the platform. As soon as you enter the platform, you come to a page which looks like this. This is BIT Sindri's own alumni portal. I'm quite happy to introduce this to you, the first look. And what I need to tell you here is that as soon as you come on this page, we have made it very, very similar to any other social networking platform that all and most of you would have been using, whether it's Facebook or LinkedIn. We made it extremely similar to that. So when you come here, the most important thing which all senior people, Bal sir, DK Singh sir, Ajit sir, all of you mentioned here right now was that please come and interact with your fellow alumni, with your students, with the current students, with faculty members. That's the first and foremost thing that you can do here. You can post an update. So as a user, any user, whether you're an alumni who graduated in 2019 or someone who's graduated in 1970, can easily go ahead and post something here, share their thoughts, share their ideas, memories, seek input from other people, start a discussion, post an opportunity that you have in your company. All of that could happen directly from here, right? Also, on the left-hand side that you see are certain important fields, which is memories, events, newsletters that you can see here, and mentorship. So when I say memories, you could come here and upload your memories. Maybe you, as you guys mentioned, that you have picnic at your own city chapter. You could very well have that picnic and upload your photos here. It's a very nostalgic thing to upload photos when you're meeting a fellow alumni. You can also upload photos from your earlier days. You could use memories. You could use events. You can participate in events which is being organized anywhere in the world, any virtual event, any web session that's being organized. You could participate here. You could even organize actually offline events, and one could register from the platform itself, right? Mentorship, as all of you mentioned, this is something which is extremely important for the current students as well as people who have recently graduated and they're seeking mentorship for their higher studies, in their career. Career guidance is something which Sridhar, you also mentioned very categorically. This is something which is very important, and we feel that Alma Connect can certainly help all of you here to have mentorship in a very structured manner, right? Then I also want to talk about one very important thing, which is jobs. So we also curate a lot of jobs as Alma Connect. So that is something you would see. We work with a lot of companies and get and source job openings from them. But we also encourage a lot of your alumni to come on the jobs module and post job openings in their own company, because they can invite referral requests from their other alma mater. A senior can help their junior, a junior can help senior, batchmates, anybody into a referral in their own company, right? So that's extremely important. We encourage people, and these are jobs across all domains, whether it is engineering jobs, software, hardware, product management, sales, marketing, finance, any sort of jobs which a person is doing, they can all post here. And someone who's, anyone can apply and ask for a referral. These are certain very important features, but most important feature, which I want to talk about at the last, is connecting with other people. So this is the directory. You could click on the people tab here. These are the directory of the BIT Sindri alumni. We really want it to flourish. We really want a lot more people to come and join the network. So we'll be really happy if you could talk about joining in this network with your other people in your other smaller groups that are present. But when you come on the directory, you could look at people from your own batch. We have segregated the directory through multiple ways. Graduating year-wise, so you could click on 2016 and it will just pop up dynamically, show people from your batch. People who studied in different schools and colleges, people who come from where they went after BIT Sindri, all of that is also here. People who are working in different companies, so their company logos and other things are also mentioned. And you could also filter people from the place they're living. So a great example, which again Sridhar mentioned, that he went to Germany and you were looking for relocation, or people who could find accommodation. They could easily come here and look at other people who are also living in Munich and see if you could meet someone there instantly. We also have people segregated by functional areas, which means people who study, working in the same field. You could filter them and see, if there is something there which you feel is connected to your industry, and you could meet them. So there are multiple filters on Alma Connect itself which you could utilize and go ahead, right? All in all, I would just want to mention at the end that this platform is to be utilized by alumni, by current students, by faculty, by everybody, by all of these stakeholders need to come together and participate, and then make this platform a mutually beneficial one for everybody. Thank you.